Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to change video quality on your TP-Link Tapo C110. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we would need to open our Tapo application and then go to settings, which are located on the right corner. Then go to this tab which is named Video and Display and then Video Quality. As you can see right here, we got 3 options and let's talk about every of them. The first one right here is the 720p, which is the lowest quality from all of these. So this is just a normal video which is HD and also really good option for those who doesn't have a really good internet. So let's move on. The next option here is 1080p, which gives you a normal video which is detailed and clear, but it also requires a little faster internet. And the last option that we have here is 2K, which is the best quality of the video, which will give you sharp, clear, and really good quality video, but it requires a really fast and good internet. So, make your choice and enjoy your TP-Link Tapo C110. And that was it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.